Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Model Y trunk height. First, ensure your vehicle is in park before attempting any adjustments. You can open the trunk using the touchscreen, your key fob, the mobile app, or by pressing the switch under the exterior handle. This feature is especially useful for avoiding low garage ceilings or other overhead obstacles. Once the trunk is fully open, you can manually adjust the liftgate to your desired height. Gently push it down to the exact position where you want it to stop in the future. It's important to avoid moving the trunk too quickly or forcefully, as this could potentially damage the mechanism, especially in extreme weather conditions. Now, locate the button on the underside of the liftgate. This is the same button you use to close the trunk. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. You will hear a confirmation chime, which indicates that the system has successfully registered your preferred height setting. This sound confirms your new default. To confirm the new height has been properly set, close the trunk completely and then reopen it. The trunk should now automatically stop at your newly configured height, making daily use much more convenient. And speaking of convenience, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.